6 strange but useful natural beauty tips. Surely you once heard your grandmother saying that if your fingernails are weak, apply garlic to them. And yes, we know that you found it a bit disgusting. But sometimes, help comes from unexpected sources. And your grandmother was right, garlic is great for toughening your nails. And there are other natural remedies that can help you a lot in your beauty routine, just like that one. In this video, you will discover 6 strange but very useful natural beauty tips. 1. Mayonnaise, eggs and olive oil for better hair. It may not be the most pleasant thing in the world, but it works. Make a mask with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 egg whites and a spoonful of oil, and apply it from the root to the tips. Let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse it. You will get super hydrated and nourished hair. 2. Pickles and potatoes to deflate any swelling. Both cucumbers and potatoes have anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Cut the cucumber or potato into slices and apply it to the affected skin area, such as the eyelids after a bad night or long exposures to the sun. Now, if you get up every day with swollen eyelids and need much time to return to normal or don't do it at all, we recommend performing the facial lymphatic drainage massage, which will make the dark circles vanish, stimulating the tissues from within. 3. 2 cold spoons against dark circles. If you did not wake up completely or cried for hours, applying a little cold to the swollen areas will help. Whether on the eyelids or the forehead, cold temperatures have a great effect on inflammation and tension, and can reduce swelling well. Put 2 spoons in the refrigerator and leave them there for 15 minutes, then remove them and place them on any swollen area for 10 to 15 seconds with brief breaks, depending on how you can tolerate the sensation. 4. Honey to balance the pH of your face. It is one of the easiest and most useful masks. Combine 2 tablespoons of honey with lemon juice. Then apply the mixture on your face for 20 minutes. Your face will be moistured, smooth, and the levels of grease under control. In addition to home treatments, you can also periodically perform a deep facial cleansing, which will remove dead cells and other harmful agents for your skin and leave it refreshed. 5. Garlic and lemon to strengthen nails. Did you know that fortified enamels contain a component of garlic? You can create your own natural enamel. Grind a clove of garlic powder and put it on your transparent enamel, apply it, and weak nails will be a thing of the past in a few weeks. Another way to achieve this goal is by rubbing a lemon cap over your nails every day. 6. Coriander leaves and peppermint for bad breath. The leaves of these herbs facilitate digestion and are a great antibacterial. You can consume them as an infusion if you have digestive problems or use them as a mouthwash. You can even carry it in your bag. For this, you need 2 teaspoons of coriander and a cup of boiling water. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes and then store it in a jar. You can use the rinse after every meal. Of course, remember that if you have bad breath halitosis, you are likely to have some digestive problems. The best thing to do will always be to visit your doctor and go to a specialized nutrition consultation to find out what foods may be causing discomfort in terms of your digestion.